Welcome to Northern Italy. From the canals of Venice to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Northern Italy is a feast for the senses. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the top destinations and culinary delights this enchanting region has to offer. So grab a cappuccino, settle in, and get ready to experience the magic of Northern Italy. Venice, a city built on water, a place of romance, mystery, and unforgettable experiences. Imagine gliding through the canals on a gondola, serenaded by a singing gondolier, the gentle rocking of the boat, the ornate bridges passing overhead, the colorful buildings reflected in the water. It's a scene straight out of a dream. Step off the beaten path, get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, and discover hidden courtyards and charming bridges. And when your stomach starts to rumble, settle into a family-run trattoria for fresh seafood, creamy risotto, and delicate cicchetti Venetian tapas. Milan, a city pulsating with energy, style, and a passion for all things chic. It's a place where every corner tells a story of elegance and innovation. This is Italy's fashion capital, where high-end boutiques line the streets and people-watching is an art form. Here, fashion isn't just a trend, it's a way of life. But Milan is more than just a pretty face, it's a city with a rich history and a vibrant cultural scene. Start your journey at the iconic Duomo, Milan's magnificent cathedral. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the city's artistic prowess. Climb to the rooftop for panoramic views of the city and marvel at the intricate Gothic architecture. Each detail tells a story of craftsmanship and dedication. For a taste of Milan's artistic heritage, visit the Santa Maria del Grazie, home to Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. This iconic painting captures the essence of Renaissance art. And of course, no trip to Milan would be complete without indulging in its culinary scene, from Michelin-starred restaurants to cozy trattorias. Savor the flavors of traditional Milanese cuisine and experience the city's gastronomic delights. Picture this: sparkling blue waters, charming villages clinging to lush hillsides, and majestic mountains rising in the distance. Welcome to Lake Como, a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. Here, time seems to slow down as you cruise across the lake, the gentle breeze whispering tales of ancient Romans and Hollywood stars. Hop off at Bellagio, the pearl of Lake Como, with its colorful houses, cobbled streets, and stunning views. And when hunger strikes, savor the flavors of Lake Como fresh-caught fish, creamy polenta, and local wines. Cinque Terre, hiking heaven with a side of pesto. Get ready to lace up your hiking boots and embark on an unforgettable adventure through the Cinque Terre, 5 picturesque villages perched on rugged cliffs. Hike from village to village, breathe in the fresh sea air, and be rewarded with panoramic vistas of turquoise waters, terraced vineyards, and colorful houses. And after a day of exploring, treat your taste buds to the region's culinary star pesto, best enjoyed with freshly made pasta overlooking the glistening Mediterranean Sea. Verona, love, tragedy, and perfect pizza. Step into a world of romance and tragedy in Verona, the city of Romeo and Juliet. Visit Juliet's balcony, where Shakespeare's star-crossed lovers declared their love. Explore the city's well-preserved Roman amphitheater, Arena di Verona, which still hosts opera performances today. Wander through the lively Piazza del Erbe, sample local delicacies at the market, and savor the aroma of freshly baked bread. And when hunger strikes, treat yourself to a classic Italian pizza, thin crust, flavorful toppings, and a taste that will transport you straight to foodie heaven. Bologna, a feast for the senses. Bologna, a city that seduces you with its warm terracotta hues, its portico-lined streets, and its reputation as Italy's culinary heartland. Explore the city's historic center, home to the oldest university in the Western world, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Climb the Asinelli Tower for panoramic views of Bologna's red rooftops and discover hidden courtyards adorned with colorful frescoes. But the real star of Bologna is its food. This is the birthplace of the legendary Bolognese sauce, best enjoyed with tagliatelle pasta. Turin, from Egyptian treasures to chocolate delights, a city that seamlessly blends the ancient with the modern. Turin, a city of elegance, rich history, and a deep passion for all things chocolate, offers a unique experience for every visitor. Step back in time at the Egyptian Museum, home to one of the world's finest collections of Egyptian artifacts, showcasing the grandeur of ancient Egypt. Stroll through the elegant piazzas and arcades, admire the grand architecture, and soak up the regal atmosphere that permeates the city. Turin was once the capital of Italy, and its royal heritage is evident in its grand palaces and beautifully manicured gardens. But Turin's true indulgence lies in its chocolate, a tradition that has been perfected over centuries. This city is famous for its gianduiotti, small chocolate treats made with hazelnuts, a delightful blend that melts in your mouth. Genoa, a proud port city with a history as rich and colorful as the pesto it's famous for. Lose yourself in the narrow, winding alleyways of the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and discover hidden treasures. Explore the Porto Antico, Genoa's revitalized harbor, and marvel at the aquarium, one of the largest in Europe. But no trip to Genoa is complete without indulging in its culinary sole pesto alla Genovese, best enjoyed with trophy pasta. Parma, a city that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. This is the heartland of Parmigiano Reggiano, the king of cheese, and a visit to a local cheese factory is a must. Witness the traditional cheesemaking process and savor the unique flavor of this culinary treasure. This region is also famous for its prosciutto di Parma, a delicately cured ham that melts in your mouth. Trento, a city nestled amidst the majestic Dolomites, where history, nature, and wine come together in perfect harmony. Explore the Castello del Buonconsiglio, a magnificent castle that offers stunning views of the city and the surrounding mountains. Wander through the charming streets of the historic center, lined with colorful buildings and frescoed facades. Trentino is known for its crisp white wines, particularly Pinot Grigio and Chardonnay, best enjoyed with local cheeses and cured meats. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our guide to northern Italy's best spots to visit and eat in 2024. From the romantic canals of Venice to the culinary delights of Bologna, northern Italy offers a journey for all your senses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. And remember, as they say in Italy, il dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing. Pause 3S. Discover the hidden gems of northern Italy's countryside, where rolling hills meet charming villages. Experience the local culture, taste authentic cuisine, and enjoy breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. While the bustling cities offer their own allure with their vibrant energy and endless activities, the countryside brings a different kind of magic, one that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor each moment in tranquility. Whether it's visiting a local vineyard to taste exquisite wines, strolling through a quaint village market filled with local crafts and produce, or simply enjoying a picnic with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, the countryside of northern Italy has its own unique stories to tell, each more enchanting than the last. So pack your bags and set off to explore these lesser-known treasures. Your adventure awaits, ready to unfold in the heart of northern Italy's serene landscapes.